Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department in its daily weather briefing program of 13 November 2021. So in this briefing, we will discuss about different synoptic systems, past 24 hours weather and weather warnings for next 5 days. So let us begin with this slide. Here we have listed a significant rainfall during past 24 hours ending at 8:30 hours IST. So we can see that there are four major subdivisions, that is Odisha, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh, where significant rainfall and very heavy rainfall has been realized. As far as this Odisha major subdivision is concerned, in the districts of Ganjam, Chhatrapur and Aska reported 14 centimeter. In Kerala major subdivision, Tranthapuram, one of the station reported 13 centimeter, and in Tamil Nadu, Kanyakumari district, one of the stations reported 14 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter, etc. And in coastal Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam district, Palasa reported 14 centimeter. So these are the some of the significant rainfall realized during past 24 hours. And now we will discuss about this different synoptic systems. So we can see that yesterday's cyclonic circulation over north India Tamil Nadu is still persisting over the same region in lower tropospheric levels. And the cyclonic circulation over southeast Arabian Sea is also persisting in lower tropospheric levels. And that yesterday's trough now runs from this cyclonic circulation associated over north India Tamil Nadu to Gangetic West Bengal across Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. So from this we can see that significant intense to very intense convection lies over these areas like coastal Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and coastal Tamil Nadu, and also over this South Kerala and Southeast Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep area, Maldives areas. And yesterday's cyclonic circulation over this Gulf of Thailand, under the influence of this cyclonic circulation, a low pressure area has formed today at 08:30 hours IST. Here this South Andaman Sea and adjoining this Thailand area. Here we have also mentioned here that a low pressure area has formed over South Andaman Sea and adjoining Thailand coast at 08:30 hours IST of today. And as far as this forecast of this system is concerned, it is likely to move west northwestwards and concentrate into a depression over North Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal by 15th November. Then it is likely to continue to move west northwestwards and intensify further and reach near Andhra Pradesh coast around 18th November 2021. So this is the forecast of this low pressure system, where this move this toward this direction and will reach this Andhra Pradesh coast around 18th November. So these are the some of the significant weather systems prevailing today over different parts of this our country and ocean areas. So main significant feature is that heavy rainfall is under the influence of this trough and this cyclonic circulation, and due to the prevailing strong surface winds over this Kerala and adjoining areas. So this today intense spell is very likely over this South Tamil Nadu and South Kerala areas, and also under the influence of this trough, this coastal Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha is also likely to receive good amount of rainfall during next 24 hours. So we will discuss in detail in forthcoming slides. And also we can see that under the influence of this low pressure area and its movement, fishermen are advised not to venture into Southeast Arabian Sea, Kerala coast, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Comorin areas on 13th and 14th November. And then these fishermen warning are due to the strong surface wind prevailing over this area. And as far as this fishermen warning due to the low pressure area and its movement is concerned, Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal during 13 to 15, and over West Central and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal during 16 to 18, and along end of Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coasts on 17th and 18th November. So fishermen are out at the sea in our areas of Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea are advised to return to coast by 15 November 2021. So if we look at, we will also discuss in detail the warning graphics of our fishermen has also been given here. We will discuss again. So these are the systems, and these are the fishermen warning graphics. From this we can see that today this along end of Kerala coast and this Lakshadweep, Maldives and Comorin area, There is a possibility of wind speed 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph, and also squally weather likely to over these areas. So fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas during next 2 days. That is over along and of Kerala coast, Lakshadweep, Maldives, and Comorin areas. Thereafter, this fishermen warning is likely to reduce, and wind warning is likely to reduce. So fishermen warning has been not given for this area during next subsequent 3 days. However, as already mentioned, under the influence of this low pressure area over South Andaman Sea and its further movement west northwest direction, so fishermen warning has been issued subsequent this starting from today this year. You can see that South Andaman Sea and Neighborhood area, and then further on 14th this some of the portion of this North Arabian Sea also, and southeast Bay of Bengal. And accordingly, this fisherman has been issued for this 15, 16, 17, and 18. So this since system is reaching to North Andhra Pradesh and coast and Road. So you can see that this is the burning graphics. As the graphics are also available on our RSMC website. You can refer also. So in summary, we can see that fishermen are advised not to venture in Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal during 13 to 15, over West Central and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal 16 to 18, and along and off Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coast on 17 and 18. Now we will discuss about the weather warnings. So under the influence of that trough from this north Indian Tamil Nadu to Gangetic West Bengal, this very heavy rainfall is likely at isolated places over this South Odisha today, and also very heavy rainfall is likely over South Tamil Nadu, especially Kanyakumari and adjoining areas during next 24 hours. And also heavy to very heavy rainfall with isolated extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 20 centimeter, also likely over this South Kerala, that is Trivandrum and adjoining areas during next 24 hours. And heavy rainfall at one or two places also likely over South Chhattisgarh and this Telangana and South interior Karnataka today. So these are the weather warning for this 13th November. If we look at 14th November, this orange color shows that very heavy rainfall is expected over this Tamil Nadu and this North Kerala area, and also over coastal Karnataka, especially south coastal Karnataka. So we can see that very heavy rainfall is likely on 14th November over Tamil Nadu, North Kerala, and south coastal Karnataka. And heavy rainfall at isolated places is likely over Goa and this Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal. As far as heavy rainfall warning for 15th November is concerned, we can see that orange color shows that very heavy rainfall at isolated places likely over Kerala, and heavy rainfall likely over Tamil Nadu, South Indian Karnataka, coastal Karnataka, and Goa areas. And also on 16th, we can say that heavy rainfall is expected over Kerala and South Indian Karnataka, and on 17th, heavy rainfall is expected on this coastal Andhra Pradesh. So these are the heavy rainfall warning. And under the influence of this low pressure area, this we can say that heavy rainfall is expected during next 24 hours over Andaman Nicobar Islands, and then intensity of the rainfall will increase, and very heavy rainfall at isolated places likely over Andaman Nicobar Islands on 14th and 15th, and heavy rainfall on 16th. And under the influence of this low pressure area, this heavy rainfall episode likely to further increase over this coastal Andhra Pradesh and this South Odisha areas. So these are the weather warnings. So in summary, we can see that during next 24 hours, very heavy rainfall is expected over Odisha, and very heavy rainfall also likely over Tamil Nadu, especially South Tamil Nadu, and extremely heavy rainfall at is likely over this South Kerala and Nevarone, and heavy rainfall is likely over coastal Andhra Pradesh, South Chhattisgarh, Telangana, South Interior Karnataka, and Lakshadweep area, and also over Andaman Nicobar Islands. As far as 14th is concerned, very heavy rainfall is expected over this Tamil Nadu, South Kerala, coastal Karnataka, and heavy rainfall over Goa, Odisha, and Gangetic West Bengal, and very heavy rainfall over Andaman Nicobar Islands on 14th. As far as weather warnings for 15th is concerned, very heavy rainfall is expected over Kerala, and heavy rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu, coastal Karnataka, South Indian Karnataka, and Goa, and very heavy rainfall is expected over Andaman Nicobar Islands. As far as weather warnings for 16th is concerned, heavy rainfall is expected over Andaman Nicobar Islands, Kerala, and South Indian Karnataka. And as far as weather warning for 17th is concerned, heavy rainfall is expected over coastal Andhra Pradesh. And thunderstorm activity is also likely over during next 2-3 days over these parts of Maharashtra, South Peninsular India, and adjoining areas of this South Chhattisgarh, Telangana, etc. And same episode likely to continue during next 3-4 days. And pressure wind warning has already been discussed. So it is recommended that impact expected and action suggested as weather warning has already been discussed. We can say that due to the extremely heavy rainfall over Kerala and Maya on 13th and very heavy rainfall over Kerala and Maya on 14th and 15th, over South Tamil Nadu on 13th and 14th, over South Coastal Karnataka on 14th, South Odisha on 13th, Andaman Nicobar Islands on 14th and 15th, over coastal Andhra Pradesh on 17th. So due to these rainfall, there is a possibility of localized flooding of roads, inundation and waterlogging low-lying areas, and closure of underpass mainly in urban areas, occasional reduction in visibility due to the heavy rainfall. And so here we have some generalized impacts has been suggested and actions accordingly. Check for traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination. Follow any traffic advisory that are issued in this regard. Avoid going to areas that face waterlogging problems. Avoid staying in vulnerable structure. As far as this riverine flooding is concerned, kindly visit web page of Central Water Commission. Thank you. We will meet again tomorrow with another episode of Daily Weather Briefing. Thank you.